This is Pioneer's GM-D8701 car stereo Class D mono power amplifier. The GM-D8701 has a maximum power output rating of 1,600 watts and a nominal power output rating of 800 watts RMS into one channel. The amplifier includes a wired bass boost remote control and has variable low-pass filter built in. The Pioneer GM-D8701 is a mono output amplifier and is designed to operate from an 8 ohm to a 1 ohm load. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. We gotta flip this over. All right. And the first thing we get here is the bass remote control knob. This is the bass boost knob. You'll see this is a very slim knob and comes with a wire about 18 feet long or so for installation. Here is the hardware pack, and inside this hardware pack you have the bass boost remote control wire here. This is a wire plugs into the amplifier and into the bass boost knob, and it's about 18 feet long or so you can install that in different parts of the vehicle. Next up, we have the speaker level input to RCA adapter. So if the amplifier is capable of speaker level input, if you're going to use that, you use this type of connection to bring the signal into the amp. Then we have some install screws. There are some install screws, and we have a tool to work on the wire connections on the inputs and outputs of the amp. And here is the owner's manual and the warranty card. Now let's pull the amplifier up out of here. This is Pioneer's GM-D8701 car stereo Class D mono power amplifier. The GM-D8701 has a maximum power output rating of 1,600 watts and a nominal power output rating of 800 watts RMS into one channel. On the left side of the Pioneer GM-D8701 is the power indicator right here. Here are the signal output and input RCAs. The RCA input can be connected directly to the RCA outputs of an in-dash receiver or by using the included speaker level to RCA adapter. The amplifier will automatically detect the type of signal. The RCA output seen here can be used to send the input signal to an additional power amplifier. Here is the gain control. If using a Pioneer in-dash receiver with 2-volt RCA outputs, set the gain control to the normal position. If using a Pioneer in-dash receiver with 4-volt RCA outputs, set the gain control to the H position. The GM-D8701 has a built-in variable crossover, also called a low-pass filter. This makes sure only low frequencies are played by the connected subwoofer. If you choose to use the bass boost remote control included with the amplifier, the connection cable plugs in right here. On the right side of the Pioneer GM-D8701, you can attach the ground cable right here. This is the system remote control terminal. Attach the system remote control to the blue-white wire on the back of your Pioneer in-dash receiver. This will switch the amplifier on and off with the in-dash receiver. In many cases, when using speaker level input, the amplifier will detect the input signal and automatically switch on and off with the in-dash receiver. In this case, the system remote control connection is not required. The positive terminal here connects directly to the positive terminal on the vehicle's battery. During installation, I strongly recommend to properly fuse the amplifier power wire within 18 inches of the vehicle battery. Here are 2 fuses. Each fuse is 40 amps. The speaker outputs here connect directly to the woofer or woofers in the car audio system. Normal operation is from 8 to 1 ohm impedance. When wiring multiple woofers together, the combined woofer impedance shown to the amplifier must be 1 ohm or higher. Both of the speaker outputs seen here are mono outputs. And that is Pioneer's GM-D8701 Class D mono amplifier and what's in the box.